What's going on with Platinum Mobile Detailing? Well, I've got some bad news and I've got some good news, and I thought it was time I come on here and give you guys an update. I'm going to start with the good news. The good news is that I'm going to start posting again. Last year was one of the most challenging years of my life. I moved, we had renovations before moving, projects and renovations after moving, and it was a lot. I basically had to step away from social media for the years. I just didn't have it in me to grind away and pump content out and just keep up with everything that I had to do for my family. In the fall, things started to settle down. I posted this video, I think it was in December, started working on my next one. So I was ready to get back at her. Now this is where the bad news comes in. So in January, getting ready, working on my next video, and all of a sudden I tear my Achilles tendon. I'm playing soccer, it has a late game. I was literally taking a step backwards because the ball got kicked over my head. I heard a pop. I went down thinking someone took me out from behind. My team came over to see how I was doing, talked to them. I asked them if someone got me from behind, and they're like, no. I asked if anybody was around, and they said no one was around me at all. And when they said that, my gut deep down, I knew my Achilles tendon snapped. That's why I haven't really been posting anything for all of this year. I've been in a walking boot. I've been off work, my right foot, so I'm not able to drive. So it's been challenging. And so far this year, I've mostly been focusing on my recovery and taking my health a bit more seriously. Does it suck? Yeah, and I wouldn't wish this on anybody. At the same time, I've just taken it as an opportunity. I've wanted to do a life reset. I've just been stuck in the grind, working two jobs, kids super busy in sports. So being off work gave me the time to just reset, slow down, take my health more seriously, eat better, start working out again. They say it takes about a year to fully recover, get back to where you were. It is what it is. What can you do? I'm really looking forward again to posting content. I absolutely love interacting with all of you, helping people out, and I've missed that, and I can't wait to get started again. So keep an eye out because I have a lot of good stuff coming.